I'm Andra Waagmeester. I'm an assistant professor at the Amsterdam University Medical Center in Amsterdam, where I work in the Department of Medical Informatics in the subgroup of reusing health data. Federated learning, in my opinion, is not about yet another technique. In our field, we are trying to bridge databases, computer technology, etc., and daily use. So an optimized database is not necessarily a new therapy or a new disease or a new thing. So we have all these nice databases, and the word of federations comes from the word federal states, where you have different sets of entities. And what we do is we try to recognize the diversity in the data sets and use to federate that to get ahead. So I really like this tutorial tomorrow there will be a tutorial on federated analysis, which is the analysis of getting diverse data views and informations. Just give a tutorial on federated querying, is how do you query data that is coming from different databases, different resources, then how do you combine it without having the data stored in one single database. If you're a doctor or an expert or a domain expert, you sometimes think, yes, if it's about data, it's about we should leave the computer scientist or the informatician, the bioinformatician, man to do the modeling. But a model made by a bioinformatician or a medical informatician is a reflection of their understanding of the material. And they're not doctors, they're not biologists, they're not pharmacists. So the challenge is to use these trajectories to get better models so the computer gets better in analyzing the data. I think the advice is we need to collaborate more. It's the doctor, it's the biologist, it's the pharmacist that needs to create a model, which brings a challenge because that would expect them to understand programming, writing complex queries, which you cannot expect to do. So we need to find the middle way.